Welcome to JH. Today, I will show you how to establish multiple Stripe accounts under a single LLC. This is an excellent way to manage various business branches or separate financial tracking for different services. Start by visiting stripe.com. Once the homepage loads, click the Sign In button found in the upper right corner. Enter your email and password on the login page, making sure your credentials are secure. After inputting your info, click the Sign In button to open your Stripe dashboard. After logging in, go to the top left of the screen and click on your current account name, often labeled as Default Sandbox. From the drop-down menu, select the option to Create New Account to begin the setup. Now, assign a name to this new account. Choose a title that clearly identifies the specific business line or service it will handle to make future management easier. In the same section, select the country where your LLC is registered or where your main operations occur, as regulations vary by region. Once the name and country are set, click the Create button. Your new account is now officially part of your dashboard. To finish, you must provide additional business details, including your address, tax information, and bank account data. Submitting accurate details is vital for maintaining compliance and ensuring smooth transactions. Finally, proceed to activate the account so it can process payments independently. This approach is a powerful way to organize and grow your business ventures. Thanks for watching.